She was like a little Japanese. Perfect for this video actually.
Yeah,
should have called her in. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are with a lovely 200 SX, otherwise known as an S14A. This has a few mods to it, which we'll go through in a second. And to do that actually, I'm going to bring in the owner, John. Come in, John.
You're on, mate.
Is it actually John? Yeah. Is it actually
Yeah,
John?
it's John.
Well, that's actually John, I guessed that. So a bit of miracles happen. John, talk us through your automotive bit of machinery, mate.
What do you want to know about it?
Why is there an S on the bonnet?
Skyline, mate. So,
Skyline?
Yeah.
We know how that is. And this is obviously the radiator.
Yep.
That warms the car up in the winter.
That warms the car up in the morning. No, guys, we're just joking. We know it's cooler, there's no need for the hate, there's no need for the dislikes. And on that note actually, can you please make sure to subscribe, like and comment so I can buy a better watch once we hit 1,000 subscribers. Because look at that, that's embarrassing. It's a Skadona. Do you want your boy to run around in a Skadona?
Skadona.
Let me get a Rolex, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, can we pop the hood on this bad boy?
We can.
Let's do it.
If it decides to...
If it decides. Because this engine, honestly, it's beautiful. Honestly.
It's massive.
It's
We had a look
massive,
in
Just
it.
pop the boot rather than...
It's rear
Is
engine.
it? Oh, it's a rear engine. It's 911. Oh, sorry guys. So today with 911, let's go back.
That is massive.
Right, mate, easy.
Sorry about the wind. I will stand in front of the camera somehow and
Right,
just like
someone
smother
talk me
it.
through what it is, because
So S14, DET, a few like little mods to it, intake, intercooler.
What make is the intake?
A Pexi, yeah. The actual like metal hard pipe isn't. I can't remember where I got it from, to be honest.
It's a nice hard pipe, I think. Why are you laughing? It's a nice hard pipe. I like it.
Cheers, I polished it this morning. But Apex performance intercooler, that was like, apparently they were like Driftworks before Driftworks were a thing.
Yeah.
So there's not a lot more other than the strut brace intake.
And the strut brace is from
Su E-T, yeah.
Yeah, racing equipment.
Racing equipment.
So hit them up, you know, if you want
strut brace.
Yeah,
pretty
S14A
much.
/ 200 SX.
and blow off valve, but you've blocked it off, haven't you?
Yeah, I should really take it out and weld it up, but you know, good old cable tie.
But John doesn't know what he's doing.
The pigeon noises, so
Yeah.
yeah.
This is obviously the battery. It's a Bosch S4027. Fantastic battery.
You can charge your phone on it.
Yeah, you can charge your phone on it. It's honestly, it's just what you need in the vehicle world. We've got the 350Z brake pads and discs
And caliper.
and calipers
They're pretty big.
and the wheel nuts. No, joking, they're not actually 350Z wheel nuts, but yeah, they're pretty big to be fair. Not too bad. Big turbo, big brakes.
What more
big
do you need?
cock. And also coming onto the inside, that's the seat. I would never fit in that in a million years. There's literally no hope. Big boy like me. We could try it though. I
Looks
mean,
like a proper little drift car,
no,
I must say.
there's actually no way now.
I'm going to go in there.
Go for it.
I like how you got your plate down.
Oh yeah, that's Velcro on the front.
Oh my god, my
It's a big
kidney.
second. Yeah, so this is the Nardi steering wheel. That's a very sexy steering wheel.
It's a very nice
That is quite nice.
Yeah, gorgeous steering wheel.
Yeah. It's very small.
And obviously that's the turbo.
boost gauge, yeah. So,
Boost gauge,
well,
yeah.
not those gauges. Those gauges don't even work.
Oh, that's
but
useful.
the one underneath, the
Oh, here, yeah.
this one, that's an actual boost gauge and bar. Now, if you look by your right leg, that's the Greddy boost controller, and that shows it in PSI as well.
So what does the Greddy boost pipe controller do?
Boost pipe controller. The boost controller.
What does the boost controller
controls the boost.
So
I mean, like, how simple is it to use? Like,
Oh really? Like you literally like twist the fucking knob on it.
And does it start into he's clearly hasn't had sex in
You just
ages.
can't leave the car.
It's not even, I think it would
I'm more concerned why you've got a wad of tissues in your door.
condom as well.
well.
Getting back to the original point, which
Yeah.
was about the boost
controller.
controller. So does it start at the default setting before you twist the knob?
Well, no, it's on whatever high or low boost that I have it on. It's always on high.
So you can only choose between high and low.
Yeah, but then you can adjust. It works in like gain percentages.
Gain percentages?
Gain.
Oh, okay, sorry.
So you can fuck around with it, but I don't want to go higher than 1 bar because
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hi. Wait, let me try actually getting it.
Be alright.
How is your leg so big?
Can I have the camera a second?
Go on.
Right, so we're just inside the 200SX, as you can tell. So it's got the aftermarket white dials. They are usually black from factory. It's got a lovely little aftermarket cloth / curtain. God knows what he's done to that. It looks quite bad actually. If the camera would focus, that'd be great. There you go, perfect. Obviously the boost gauge. That's the boost controller, so you can up the boost on the old turbo. You've got high pressure, low pressure. These dials don't actually work. In other words, I'm 6'4" and I don't fit in this. So if you are a lanky fatty, just like me, then you will struggle to do the old thing of driving. But the steering wheel's fantastic. Excuse me, keep your fucking tool.
That's an interesting way. I've never seen anyone get out of my car like that before.
Right, so if we didn't actually mention, what wheels are these, mate?
Oh, they're CST Hyper Zeros, polished, so...
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So you're a big fan of polish?
Yeah. I'm half Polish.
Yeah, you are?
Yeah.
Oh, no way.
No, actually, yeah.
You are?
I'm not even joking. R33 Skyline rear.
Let's get a close
brake
up on that.
conversion. Looks a bit oxidised.
Nice bit of
This,
mix and match on the JDM cars.
Yeah, because the standard brakes on these are kind of shit on the rear and the front, so the entire brake setup changed.
So ideally you want to stop with 280 horsepower in a 21-year-old Japanese car. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they are tend to be rust buckets. My friend's got an MX-5, rust everywhere. We had an MX-5 obviously in the channel, which you can click downstairs, downstairs. You click down below.
Someone to click downstairs before.
Yeah, if you click downstairs you can have a look at that, and we bought it for £500 and that broke within 24 hours and we sold it within 24 hours as well, so yeah, did you watch that?
I haven't watched that.
We'll leave a
True
link.
fan.
We'll leave a link, yeah, we'll leave a link. He's not a true fan, it is what it is.
I'll say.
But yeah, that's the
Canon.
look at that, you can fist it. He's actually kept the Nissan badges on this one, on the back here. There you go, if I'm missing you.
I hope so.
That's his plate if you want to hop here.
Arrest
and
him.
Don't buy speeding cameras with it. So yeah, you want to look into. This is the rear wing. This gives downforce.
Yep.
Very simple, and he has got a.
He's a gymnast.
He's a gymnast as well, yeah. So what'd you do, like?
Just the
Trapeze?
hoops, mate.
Just the hoops, yeah?
Yeah, that's
Fantastic.
that's what that's
Are you
for.
in the Olympics?
Yeah, I was in the 2020 ones. They got cancelled. I still did it. Anyway.
Are you still there?
Yeah, still did it.
That's where you bought the Silvia from Japan.
Exactly.
See, makes sense. Everything comes together. This is obviously an aftermarket mod as well. He's gone for the
Gone for the scrape door.
for the scrape door, yeah. Fantastic. Honestly, looks wicked, mate. Right, so that was the walkaround of the Japanese bird, as you can tell. Fantastic car. Jack's owned it for 6 months now.
No, 4.
4.
4 months.
Yeah, 4 and 6, pretty much the same. Don't know why he's getting technical about it, but he's enjoyed every moment of it. And there's a
He's hard as nails. He's hard as nails.
he's hard as nails.
He's going for it again. Crash. Anyway.
Anyway, before we go into it by 2 nonces, that's pretty much it. I mean, what more do you want me to say? Jack, have I missed anything important? Jamie?
I don't know.
Right, Jamie, this car, mate,
Yeah.
Han, how's it been for you?
It's actually been alright. It hasn't.
Hasn't broken.
How many miles have you done on it since you bought it?
Like 2,000.
2,000 miles?
Yeah, not too much though, because obviously don't date it. But
Yeah.
yeah, I mean,
Do you want to spit out your words? Or?
no. I feel like I can start it. It's been alright. Yeah, haven't had any problems with it. So,
Would you recommend one to a JDM enthusiast?
if you're into old Japanese cars, then yeah, I mean, just don't buy a shitter.
Don't watch
because
yourself.
As long as it's been well looked after. Like the previous owner had this for like 10 years. It's
Yeah.
got like all the service history and everything. So, yeah. But yeah, it's been alright.
Valuable advice.
So as you heard from the owner, Han, basically he said it's a good car. So if you are in the mood for an S14, you've got 7.5k in the bank, and you like a bit of wind, then this car is fantastic for you. What we're going to do now is we're going to go in for a drive. Well, Evan's going to go in and I'm going to follow. And then he's going to swap over and then I'm going to go inside it. And it's going to be like, ooh.
Right, so we're in the car with Han. Apologies for the drone, if it is quite droney, but we're just gonna get some driving clips now. We had like a pretty fucking crazy drive here. I got a glimpse of what the car is like around the roundabout. But yeah, we'll see what we can come across.
These roads are awful.
Yeah. You can feel all of it as well, but
there goes my phone.
it's all part of the experience.
Yeah. These are not the fucking.
I was gonna offer to take the wheel, but
I was gonna say.
like I didn't plow you into the Land Rover.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. It needs a track-in then, yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, it's to be expected. How old is the car? 21 years?
21 years old.
Yeah.
I mean, it's fucking hell. Why did we come down here?
Yeah.
I should have turned around and gone like under the tunnel.
Thank you, mate.
Oh, there's like a main road here. So we'll just go down there.
This is not the most ideal conditions for a drift car.
There goes.
Proper like whooshes.
Something's fucked.
Is it actually?
Yeah. Man. Yeah, it's fucking limping. Oh shit.
Oh, are you serious?
Nah.
What, it
Fuck.
overboosted?
I don't know. Something just went bang. Oh fuck.
When you changed?
Yeah, did you hear it?
Yeah, I was gonna say, I thought that was the blower valve.
Fuck, nah.
Shit.
Oh shit. That's not fucking good. Oh shit.
Fuck.
I've never heard it do anything like that.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you know how you closed off the
Oh,
blower
fuck,
valve? I was
that
thinking
doesn't
that was
sound
like the lift off.
It's idling fucking proper lumpy. Oh shit.
Yeah, it smells different as well.
Smoking bad. I don't know what the fuck. The bonnet's popping. I know. Oh. Holy shit!
Shit, the
Blower
fucking
valve's
blower
fucking-
valve came on. Shit.
Oh my-
Look, it's dented the fucking
said it-
bonnet as well.
Oh, the blower valve just fully fucking came off.
When he changed gear, I was like, that was fucking loud, but it was
It just fucking, and it's dented the bonnet. Holy shit!
Oh,
Yeah.
shit, it is.
Fuck.
That's alright.
Because I never boost it that hard in first.
Yeah.
So like, and I upped the boost earlier as well. Oh shit. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna get home. That should be able to like twist back in. I'll wait for it to cool down. I need to get that,
That
welded
loose bit?
up. Yeah. Yeah, I should really take it out and weld it up, but you know, good old cable tie.
But John doesn't know what he's doing. Yeah.
Okay, I was fucking worried because I thought like my turbo had fucking.
Yeah.
blown
I
or
thought it was your
something
turbo
like
because all the exhaust was going black.
But then what would cause the exhaust smoke to like be
that.
black?
Because the fucking the boost is escaping out of there.
Oh, I see,
innit?
yeah.
Because this is like this is the intercooler fucking air, so it was drawing in unmetered air,
Oh, yeah.
uncooled air. Fucking hell.
That is where it's been dented. Looks like
So
Mount Everest.
fucking regged it in first. I heard this huge bang when I changed gear. It's dented my bonnet. The fucking blower valve just pinged off.
Right, guys. So what's happened? Basically, his blow off valve flew off. Well, it looks attached now, but it was off.
Yeah, it was off. The car overboosted in first.
Overboosted in first. I think he put a bit too much boost on the old flick flop thing. So yeah, we're gonna try and fix it. If not, then the next scene will be me doing the outro. If it's a yes, then obviously you'll get some more action. But yeah, stay tuned. Right, guys. So a bit of an update. Josh, which is there, he called his friend to get a clamp. So we got the clamp now. Here he is. 1 second.
We've got the goods.
Got the goods.
Got the goods.
Did you get a 20 bag?
Yep.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we got a 20 bag, and we're gonna head back to the S14A and hopefully carry on the video.
Oh, what is he got chipped or still?
Oh, you got chip for him. Oh, you got the Rizzler.
Yeah.
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 The finest wine. Oh, didn't see you there. As you can tell, I'm now in a bit of Pete's headquarters. The car broke. Couldn't get it to work. He went home. I came home. Cheered myself up a bit of wine. And on to the next. If you've got a car we can shoot, please whack us on the old DMs. Until then, see you later.